Vlogs! Another day, another vlog! And for today's video, punta tayo sa bagong location. So I have never been here actually since nung dumating ako dito sa Spain. And this is the first time that we're gonna visit this area. And it seems like it's crowded. I will show you. Huh? There. And yeah, let's move or do sightseeing first. Check where we can go, or oh my god, where we can have a good photo shoot and also videos. So I'll see ya. Hi mga vlogs! So I just found a nice place, actually they're really beautiful, but I just can't go there now or today. It is because it's so crowded. It's more people today. I don't know if it's not weekend, but it seems it's much people today. Same same katulad siya ng kahapon. Ayun. English pa more. So, at least meron tayong mga list of locations na pupuntahan natin one day pag wala ng tao. And hi mga bakla! So ayan, mayroon tayong nahanap na new spot and it's kinda ayun, maganda dito kasi tayo lang. So we have our privacy, but I don't know where I'm gonna put my things, just here or down. So probably just up here or down. Okay, I think down. So we can just swim there. So I'll see you. Dito tayo maliligo and kasi maraming tao dun sa kabila. So dito na lang tayo. So I'll see you.